What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about this awesome Highlander behind me. It is pre-sold to a client of ours from Alaska. Great deal this month of 0% financing on this model. Just wanted to do a walk around to kind of show the customer their new vehicle and also show all you people on YouTube about the limited hybrid Highlander for 2020. We've got 20-inch alloy wheels. This is the Blizzard Pearl exterior paint. We've got optional roof rack crossbars on this one. The limiteds are going to have parking sensors all the way around. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, so Toyota's most advanced safety systems currently. The hybrid system is all new for the Highlander on 2020. It's now a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder coupled with 3 electric motors. We've got LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, really nice headlights on this vehicle. Of course, your adaptive cruise control up front. You got the blue on the emblem, lets you know it's a hybrid. Of course, we have a moonroof, standard on a limited. Also standard for 2020, we now have remote start. Also, with Toyota Connected Services, you'll be able to start the vehicle from your phone, from further than you would with just the remote. This is a hybrid, so of course you're not hearing that gas engine start, but I can assure you right now the vehicle is running. It is advanced keyless entry. With Toyota's remote start system, when you open the door, the car is always going to shut off automatically. Of course, we've got all your power options. This Limited's also going to have memory seating as well. Push button start, of course. Plenty of cup holders, big enough for your largest Starbucks drinks, of course. Heated steering wheel. It has an inverter in the back, so you got a regular wall plug. Of course, it has a power rear liftgate. Currently about 40 miles on this vehicle. Your adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane trace assist, heated front seats as well as cooled front seats, 3-zone auto climate control, JBL premium stereo system with navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Here's your different drive modes. This one has the optional bench. Down here is that wall outlet. These are fast charging USB ports. Your rear climate control. Pull up sunshades in the rear. This is going to have all your all-weather floor mats. Another wall outlet back here. This with the third row up. Third row folds down real easy. Got the plastic cover for back here as well. So, optional equipment on this one. We've got the bench middle seat. Special colors and upcharged with Toyota. All-weather floor mats and crossbars. Takes us to an MSRP of $49,213. Again, I'm Pat the Car Guy from OregonCarSource.com. Check out the website if you'd like to visit me. We've got a lot of vehicles for sale, new and used, and I'm happy to help you out if you are in the Pacific Northwest. Have a great day.